Hi! Welcome to ako ang unboxing sa DJI Osmo 3. Ako po ning i-video as a proof kay required siya. So here, wala siya damage or anything on any side of the box. Open na ako. Okay, here's the box. Another reminder nga and dapat na ay video. Please take a video while opening your parcel. All sides of the parcel must be shown during the unboxing. Tapos if something is damaged, mo na ni ang proof. So here's the box. Na ay lumping diri nga side, but visibly walay other damage aside from this side. I'll open it na. Kabola pa gani ako ano. May bubble wrap sa sulod. Baga gyud siya bubble wrap. Pila jud siya ka layers. Slowly remove this bubble wrap. Di gyud basta-basta ang bubble wrap. Baga gyud siya kaayo. Oh, wow! Guys, here's my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Upon inspection, kay na lang siya gamay nga naipit dire, but overall, it's still sealed, not damaged or anything. Kanilang ang naipit na side and naalay bubble wrap na naipit, but that's no problem. Ang importante kay ang sasulod. Here are the specs sa camera, and here are the content kay creator combo man eh. So we have the camera itself, ang Osmo Pocket 3, protective cover, mic transmitter, handle, battery handle, mini tripod, wrist strap, wide angle lens, mic, windscreen, clip magnet sa mic, carrying bag, and Type-C cable. Alright, ako ano ning abrihan. This should be, I think, the battery. This one is the handle. This is the cable. This is the windscreen for the mic. The wrist strap. This is the microphone. So cute. I think this is the wide angle lens. Yeah, di na ko ganitan kay mahugaw. This is the mini tripod. This is the DJI Mic 2 clip magnet. Kanang pag isuot bitaw like sa shirt. And finally, the unit itself. Wow! Rotate screen. This is the shutter record button. The joystick. Press once, power on. Take photos or record. Press and hold to power off. Okay. Kung sa'y na-address sa box. Here we have Osmo Pocket 3 Quick Start Guide. Forum. Okay. Tapos this one is DJI Guarantee. Safety Guidelines. I think this is a sticker. This one. This one is the case or kanang cover. Here is the protective cover. Okay, nothing else in the box. Nothing else here too. Okay, so let's take this off and then press to turn on. Wow. Okay, initial setup, English. Oh, touchscreen. Uy, tangaan ako eh. Scan the QR code to download DJI Memo and connect the camera unit to activate. Okay. Okay, I'm going to be using my DJI Memo nga app. Click on agree. Taod-taod na maganda ko niwa ng gamit nga app. Then click allow, allow, allow. Tapos, I'm going to open ang kaning camera. Okay, enable Bluetooth. Na-detect niya ang Osmo Pocket 3, so I'm gonna click connect 6096. I'll click accept sa Osmo 3 and then agree. Okay, next, log in. Okay, mag-log in sa ako. I'll be right back. Okay, na-activate na ang Osmo 3. I'll just click skip. And then what's next? Osmo Pocket 3 feedback. I-X lang na ako. Exit. Okay. Get started. Enjoy a live view in DJI Memo. Manage files with efficiency. Advanced skills with tutorials. Update firmware. Okay, download lang siya firmware. Okay, to install this firmware, kaya dapat naka-connect sa device. So, I'll connect to my Osmo Pocket 3 karon. Join. Okay, done. Sa ako ang device karon, it's saying update in progress. Wait for 2 minutes. It's done. I'll just click on done. Okay, I want to try using this instruction. So to turn off, press and hold ang kaninga button. And then it says here na face down here. Okay, like this. Nalagi extra lubot. Ay, okay na eh. Mamun na sa drawing. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look like. This is the extra battery when mounting. Insert the battery handle into the Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the release button. When detaching, press and hold the release button. Kani ang release button? Here, press and hold. Okay, nag-ano ang green light and it's charging. So that's correct. This is the tripod, so we can put it here. Wow. May nga na siya. Tapos the tripod, it's like this. The tripod on, ingani na yung itsura. To release the battery, press and hold the release button. Pull down. Oh, so easy. And then I'm going to use this handle like that. And then you can use the tripod here. Same thing as katong battery kaganina. Wow. I'm going to put in the strap here. For the mic, I'll put kaning windshield. Something, you'll see na a hole here and na ay kanyo. So I'll put it here. So cute. Na siya bulbul. Okay, so cute. Tapos na siya yung ani. And then I can put this here or here. Murag. Yes. Yes, Your Honor. This is the mic magnet. Tapos gusto siya mo dikit. So I think, like when you want to put it somewhere like here, there's a button na here. Ayan na siya. I'll now try to pair ang mic with the unit. So turn on this mic as well. Long press. There's no blue siya. Transmitter connected and used for audio input. 60% battery remaining. Okay, so I think connected na silang duha. Now I'll try to use the camera itself. So this is to tap the switch between shooting modes, photo, video, panorama, low light, slow motion, time-lapse. So tap to check battery level. Okay, let's try video. Wala pa man din siya SD card, I'll just insert quickly. Here, dapat lang iduot until it clicks. Time to test the camera. Okay, I want to make a comparison. This is my phone's camera. Kani siya kay iPhone 14 Pro. And this is what it looks like. Tapos, I'll be using the DJI camera Hi! Hello. Hello. It's so wide. I didn't change any of the lighting from my phone kaganina, but I can see that it's now lighter and my skin looks nice. I will use kaning widescreen na attachment. Like this. Ooh. Is it wider ba? Okay. And then I'll take it off. Sorry, wait. Okay. And then with the widescreen again. I can't see the difference yet. Here's the mic test. Hello. Hello. Kita pa ko? Hello. Madungog pa ko? Hello. 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 Makita pa ba ko? Hello. Kung makakita pa ka, say yeah, yeah, yeah. There's nothing you can't do. Okay. Here's how you can switch the camera from back to front. I-press lang ning icon here. Then you see me, hi. And then to switch from portrait to landscape is just to change the camera. Oops. Like that. So it's now portrait, landscape instead of portrait. The day after I received ang DJI Osmo Pocket 3, naglaag mi sa Dicos, and I took all these shots nga walay filter, walay gi-change sa setting. These are just all auto nga settings. So as is ni siya when I received the camera mo ni iyahang lighting, whatever, wala ko gi-edit. And I really like how it smooths out ang skin. Dili kayo obvious ang mga pores. I think what could be better kay ang color sa background like kanang sa clouds. Although naga-fog man noon diri pag abot na mo, so dili kayo good siya. Blue ang sky, medyo dulom good siya. Pero at times maklaro man ang clouds unya diri kay puti gihapon. So I think kulang lang ko og katong physical filter nga mapalit ra pod online. I also like how these pictures came out. So overall, I'm very happy with my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And mora ni ako ang unboxing and setup video for today. Salamat sa pagtanaw!